Welcome to GBI Cars and a walk around video of our 2016 Audi A3 S Line. This car comes with the 1.4 petrol turbo engine and the automatic gearbox, which is ULEZ compliant, producing 123 brake horsepower and while still returning up to 44 miles to the gallon. The insurance group is 19 and this is a one owner vehicle, having covered just over 38,000 miles and comes with full service history from Audi. This particular colour is the metallic Mythos black and it's in great condition, fair your mileage of the car. As we have a look inside, got the nice clean interior, and being the S Line you get the sport seats and steering wheel, which are really comfy and supportive. There's an armrest there in the centre for the front passengers and also two cup holders. Onto the dashboard you have your pop-up multimedia screen for your satellite navigation, DAB radio and Bluetooth, and then a few other features I can mention. The car also has heated front seats, cruise control just down there on the left hand side of the steering wheel, and also automatic headlights and wipers. And finally, on the driver's door card you have your electric folding mirror and 4 window controls. Being the 5-door version of E3, it's nice and practical, so nice wide door opening, a good amount of legroom and headroom in the back. The rear bench has 3 individual seat belts and rear passengers have their own air vents, as well as a 12-volt socket there in the centre. It's good to see the car's got the original carpet floor mats from Audi as well. Opening the tailgate reveals a good sized boot there with the split folding rear seats and the parcel shelf that's still in place. You also have the adjustable floor, which is at its highest point at the moment, but you can lower it if you wish. And below that you also got a space saver wheel, so that's great to see these days. Externally the car comes with LED daytime running lights, the 18-inch alloy wheels and also rear parking sensors. The car's also been independently inspected by the AA, who've been through a 128-point check for your peace of mind, and you'll also receive 12 months AA breakdown cover, a 3-month warranty that you can extend up to 3 years, and we can help you finance the car with no deposit up to 5 years. So if you have any questions or you'd like to book a test drive, then please do give us a call. The number's 01525 305 016. Thanks for watching.